Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to organize collections in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to click on the products and after that just go to collections. So now here you can see all of my collections available here. So how to organize it, just click on availability and here you can set it or organize it according to availability. Here you can organize it according to your type, like manual, automated. So just you have to after that clear it, and now here you can also change it according to alphabetic, like A to Z or Z to A. So in this way you can easily organize your collections in Shopify.